Infinix Note 40 Pro looks impressive. It has a 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display. The main camera is 108 megapixel. Battery is solid 5000 mAh battery. But here is the part that most reviews skips. It lacks ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. Video recording isn't always smooth. Will you still pick it knowing this? Or will you consider a slighter pricier phone with better camera performance? Stay with me, I will show you what works and what doesn't, and why the 310,000 naira might still worth it. If you like honest review that reveals to you the full truth, hit that subscribe button. First thing you notice is how solid it feels. At 190 grams, it's comfortable. The color, vintage green and titanium gold, a classic and eye-catching. Slide your eyes across the 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display screen. It's bright, sharp and smooth. Peak brightness is 1300 nits. Even under sunlight, everything looks clear. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and casual gaming silky smooth. Only few phones at 310,000 naira deliver this kind of display and smoothness. Under the hood, it runs on the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate processor. RAM options are 8 or 12GB paired with 256GB of internal storage. Apps open quickly, video play without lag, casual game runs well. What about heavy multitasking? Minor delay might show. Phones with similar spec usually cost more. Here you get a good performance and a mid-range price. Now, the camera. The 108 megapixel main camera with quad flash handles daylight shot beautifully. The 32 megapixel front camera takes sharp selfie. But here is the limitation. No ultra or telephoto lenses. Landscape or distant object may not look as impressive as you want. Video recording is okay but not flagship smooth. Even with this being said, the camera competes with phones costing more than 310,000 naira at its price point. Battery life is another strong point. A 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day. 7 watts fast charging tops off 50% in just 30 minutes. Phones in this range often compromise on battery or charging. Here you get a long-lasting battery and a fast charging. 310,000 naira feels like the best deal. Extras are neat too. You get a GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB Type-C with OTG. Type-C earphone are supported. Flash and dust resistant is IP54, protective but not fully waterproof. With display, battery and camera limitation in mind, will you still go for the Note 40 Pro or will you look elsewhere? Comment below, I want to hear your take. The Infinix Note 40 Pro punches above its weight. Camera limitation and slightly heavy software are minor issue. Display, battery and storage gives real value at 310,000 naira. Before you leave, do me a quick favor, make sure to subscribe. See you in my next video.